NevinLabs uses a Corian surface on their lab benches. If you have scratches, we will show you how to remove those in this presentation. You will need to have 220 grit sandpaper, a Scotch-Brite pad, a wet cloth with soap and water or glass cleaner, and paper towels. Take your 220 grit sandpaper and sand down the surface of the scratches until smooth. Once the area is sanded down, using the Scotch-Brite pad, smooth out the surface and buff the surface, removing the sanded appearance. Take a wet cloth with soap and water or a paper towel with glass cleaner and wipe the area clean. Once you wipe the area clean, you should have no more scratches. If you have any questions, please contact NevinLabs at 773-624-4330.